Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream. Have a good day. Okay, and gold now is accumulating at around 50-50 area after recover in the short term. Ooh, bless you. Hi Shiran, welcome back my friend. Long time no see you. Okay, so let's take a look in 1 hour time frame and let's see what happened to gold. Yeah, on Monday, right? On Monday, we had a very successful sell signal. And after that, I gave you a buy signal. All right, so now, after break the downtrend, right? After breaking the downtrend, and gold is recovery in short term right now. Hi, Sharma. I'm good, my friend. Yeah, you can see the summary table I insert on the left side, on the right side of the chart, and you see the profit in my VIP channel is keep on increasing. Yeah, touch wood. Before I start my live stream, I gave my VIP member a sell signal. Yeah, at 50, 55 to 57, and it's already hit more than 140 pips profit, and now it's keep on decrease. Below here in 1 hour time frame, we have support zone at 50.38 first. Yeah, this will be our target for this sell signal, 50.38. And gold price is still moving in high volatility. Every session, yeah, not only New York session, every session. Yeah, I would like to emphasize this because this is a very special phenomenon. Okay, after gold facing with a drastically dropping down like this, yeah, at the end of January, and now until now, February 4, gold price is still moving in high volatility. Hi, my friends. Welcome to my live stream today. All right. And this is the channel. Both channel of gold is moving from 1591. That is the highest price of gold reaching in today's trading session. And below support zone, we will observe in today's upcoming New York session will be 50-30 with 50-30s area. There are 5 reasons explain for gold drastically decreased last month at the end of last month. And I already prepared for the video and upload on YouTube, so you can see, you can watch that video for your understanding about the reasons. Okay. I found rising wedge in 1 hour trend is my pattern, okay? Rising pattern. Yeah, you can see obviously that it's forming at higher highs and higher lows at the moment, right? And this retracement is just accumulating time for gold market in today's session. All right, and this overlapping time, market will tell you, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour candle currently will tell you which direction gold will decide. And please pay attention to below fair value gap here. Okay, if gold at the end of my live stream today, and that is also the time finished for the current 1 hour candle. Finished, established. Okay, if it break down from 50.34, it easily fell below fair value gap. The blur pink rectangle I draw for you here. I draw here on the chart. Fair value gap easily fell if it break down from 50.34. Okay, it depends to what happened for nearly 50 minutes later. And of course, in the long term, at least, because we're watching in a 1 hour time frame, it's moving in the short-term uptrend. Short-term uptrend. But it easily retraces, and below here you see 3 EMA ribbons is getting closer and it's forming a crossover. Nearly a crossover. All right, and we can use another indicator. Where is it? Relative strength index. All right, after reaching more than 72, now it's adjusting a little bit because it belongs to the overbought area, right? And this is a short-term adjustment of gold price, and it's easily back to 49.70s price zone. We will pay attention to below area. This crossover between 3 EMA ribbons here. All right, if there is a bearish candle and the body of that candle close below this crossover, all right, gold will facing with the adjustment. The short-term downtrend once again. This is just a technical recover of gold because you see that after reaching 44.02 right zone, that is such a good price for all investors and traders to buy position. And you see this 1 hour candle, very long lower wicks, right? This is the confirmation for you that a lot of buyers join this area. And you can see RSI is at their oversold area as well. All right, so there's a lot of conditions, and you can use RSI to watch for the market belongs to which area, right? Which size at that moment. And of course, you cannot use it alone. You need to watch the price action. Okay, this is the vocabulary of the market, of trading market, financial market. Okay, and use EMA. Use EMA because the free version of TradingView only allow you to use 2 indicators at most. So I would like to advise you to use EMA and RSI. All right, and if you want to identify the key level, key support or resistance level, you can open 1 hour time frame. All right. Hi, my friend, my Japanese friend. I'm sorry, may I know your English name because I don't know how to spell your name in Japanese. Long time no see you. I hope you're still fine. We'll go fill the gap around. Oh yeah, that is also my observation. My alarm, alarm price level. if it's break down because it got the bullish rejection. Yeah, and continues to break down below key support zone around. Yeah, the first one will be 50.34 like I just shared with you. And the next one is 49.72. And the next one is at 48.55. Yeah, it's a breakdown. Soon those gap will be filled. All right, we do not let our guard down for those areas because of gold price is increasing too far those price zone. No, we cannot, because you can see, yeah, the historical event happened at the end of January 2026 is the most special phenomenon, yeah, that just happened in 50 years of gold market. Everything can happen, and you see this 1 hour candle, it can drop from 54.95 to 50.98, near $500, right? Near $500 in 1 hour. All right, so if you see the current price is too far from the current price zone, not having the gap up in the history, in the past, don't let our guard down. Okay, don't let our guard down. And anyone in my VIP channel, you're still holding at the sell position at 50.55. The current candle is, the current position is still running profits for you. Comedy, because when the gold trying to bearish, it will recover fast. If gold is, yeah, indeed, it's like a roller coaster. Like a roller coaster. I just said to you, wow, gold price is officially break down from 50.34. Yeah. Wow, so quickly. $30 decreasing right now. Yeah, we just said about the speed, and now market shows you. You can see the RSI. Yeah, it's heading down to oversold area right now. Right, and just in a blink of an eye, everything can be happened. So if you choose to trade gold and you want to make money in this market, the first thing you need to do is prepare your psychology. And the next thing is being disciplined, right? Besides your money as well. Okay, it's now breakdown and fill all below fair gap. And now it's heading to the area. Yeah, that's having a lack of liquidity. All right, let's see that now it's heading down to below area or not. So far, we cannot FOMO to the bearish momentum because it can reverse anytime. Okay, there will be 2 minutes later, gold price will close this candle and it can reverse anytime. Okay, so if you see now the current bearish momentum is very strong. If you want to risky, you want to risky with your capital, you can FOMO. You can FOMO a part of your capital. But I would like to advise you to use the micro lot to try those trailing emotion, right? Trailing experience and setting stop loss. Okay? That is what you accept risky to FOMO, to the bearish momentum of the candle in 5-minute time frame. But remember, use the micro lot and set the stop loss quickly. Okay? We don't know. We don't know when it will reverse to the bullish momentum. So that's why I advise you to do it quickly. Right now you can see it down to 18 and reverse to 23 in a blink of an eye. All right. So yeah, if you want to trade like a gambler or thrill trader, you can follow that tips, but you need to accept loss. All right. High risk, high return. It always is the truth of our life. Okay, and if you want to looking for a safer entry, yeah, you can wait for my signal, or wait to the key level. You already set up your strategy. Yeah, it got a bullish recover quickly when it hit the liquidity. All right. So that's this one. Yeah, you can see RSI reverse right now. It's heading to the oversold area, and now it's kind of reversed to the bullish one. Let's see any signal about the RSI that it will show you. Okay, I can see there was a signal for the RSI divergence. Yeah, gold price setting a higher highs, but RSI setting lower highs. All right, so this is calling RSI divergence. Yeah, and this is the signal for the reversal in the short term. Why do I say in the short term? Because I did analysis in 5-minute time frame. Okay. And you can see what happened to gold, right? It dropping from 50.90 down to 50.27 so far. So whenever you use the RSI, and you can see that, oh, the candle chart is forming higher highs, but the RSI is forming lower highs. You can identify it as the divergence, RSI divergence. And currently we're just in the overlapping time between the London to New York session. However, gold price is still moving in such a high volatility like this time. So this is the warning for you. And also, if you watch for Forex Factory calendar, you will see a lot of important news that will happen. Yeah, it will happen. But this week, okay, especially, let me see, ADP, non-farm employment change, and PMI, ISM services PMI. All right, so everyone, are you ready for today's live stream signal, my friends? Anyone still in the live stream with me right now? Anyone want to receive the scalping signal to trade with Golden Girl in today's live stream? If yes, if you're ready, just come in ready to let me know. All right, there's only 2 people. Yeah, only 2 friends got ready. Anyone else? Okay, one more friend. How about you, Guy? I can see now. Yeah, it's less interactions from the viewers. Yeah, from my friends. Ready. Okay, because there will be delay because I'm using other applications to live stream on YouTube, so it will be latency. Yeah, latency. So I would like to set up a limit order for you to get prepared. Okay. And that signal will be sell. sell zone at 50.41 to 50.43. And stop loss we will set around 50.47. Okay. I will consider this breakdown. Yeah, breakdown area. Yeah, after hitting to stop loss hunting or liquidity hunting for this, after touching to 50.14 and now go open an up, gap up and reverse. Yeah, reverse to the breakdown area. And for the take profit, we'll follow, yeah, very familiar formula. Okay, game set, and you can set the entry, yeah, this signal in advance. Okay, remember to set a stop loss, and if you want to trade safely in this high volatile market, you can lower your trading volume. Okay, good luck to everyone. So are you clear for today's plan? For today's signal strategy, are you clear for this one? Okay, I would like to explain to you why I set this sell signal. The first one, in 5-minute time frame, you can see candlestick. Yeah, candlestick chart is forming higher lows. Higher highs. But RSI is forming higher lows or lower highs. Yeah, this shows you this will be a short-term downtrend. All right. And second, candlestick is under 2 EMA ribbons right now. So it shows you a very strong bearish momentum, and it will heading down to fill below fair value gap. All right. Yeah, because we're Scalper, so our first take profit will be 30 pips. Close the part and continue to hold the rest to the further take profit, bigger take profit. Yeah, 3 points or $3. All right. It depends to the entry, and I will continue to update to you, yeah, the entry if our signal get active. Okay, so in today's live stream, I would like to give you another bonus signal. While we're waiting for the current one is got active. We will wait for buy signal. Okay, wait for buy signal. At 5,000 to 49.98. And take profit will follow the same. Yeah, this signal. Okay, and that is the 2 limit order for you in today's live stream session. All right, good luck everyone. Yeah, gold price is still heading down to oversold area right now. Yeah, there's a lot of seller support for the bearish momentum at the moment. But we can set up a safe strategy with clear key support and resistance zone. All right, so nothing to worry about it. And stop loss will be the shield to protect your profit and your capital. Okay, remember to set a stop loss quickly every time you enter any layer. So my 30 pips is 50.37. Okay, there will be two situations for this, for any signal I would like to explain to you. The first one, if it hit our first entry at 41, okay, and if gold do not have any chopping, yeah, it isn't chopping, and it follow our correct direction, bearish direction, and 30 pips will be, yeah, 50.38. In case it reverses to a bullish one and hit our second entry, 30 pips will calculate from the highest entry you are in. All right. First take profit will be calculated from the highest entry, the best entry you are in. That is how you calculate your first, second, and your take profits if you join any VIP channel. Okay. Hi, VJ. Is it okay? I'm sorry, I do not understand what you mean, my friend. 5,000 and 49.98. Any problem to this entry, my friend? Anyone from views also explain? Reach to buy price. You want me to explain how I set up the buy signal at this price zone, right? Is that what you mean? $5,000 is also understood as the round number. Round number in trading. Round number in trading is also considered as a psychology barrier. Yeah, psychological barrier. Yeah, and when price reaching to that level, it's easily having the opposite direction. All right. And you can see it also the breakout. Yeah, breakout area from this candle, this price zone. This is the starting for the continuous bullish trend of gold price when it's break from 5,000, right? So that's why I choose this entry, this price zones at my entry for buy signal. Hi George, welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for your compliments. And now it's still accumulating around 21 to 30. Yeah, sideways in a range of 100 pips. Okay, so crazy. Did anyone do analysis in a 1 minute time frame? Anyone usually do the analysis in a 1 minute time frame? Do you dare? Yeah, do you dare to do it? Because that 1 minute time frame is not for anyone that had attack or newbie, because it has a lot of noise. You see, the smaller the time frame, the noisier the market will be. Yeah, you can say that in 1 minute time frame that is heading down to overbought area and reverse to from 50.13 to 50.34. All right, so now we will patiently wait for the sell signal active, because you can see that gold is forming a higher highs at the moment. Yeah, higher highs and higher lows at the moment. Okay, so is it clear for you, my friend, to follow and trust for this analyst for the sell signal? Anyone having doubt or concern about anything? Yeah, feel free to interact with me. Oh, it seems like everything is freezing. And even that in 1 minute. Yeah, it just caused a sharp decrease. Right, and now it's gradually fill this fair value gap. It just break from 33. Now let's say now this price will adjust to any direction. From my pips, how do you get pips? If you enter and sample your 30 pips. 50, no, I will not calculate. Yeah, I will not calculate from 40. Yeah, I only calculate from the highest entry from my signal. All right. If it beyond to my entry, I only follow enough entries. Yeah, enough layers for my entries. And if it's getting higher, I do not enter. And I also advise you to do it as well. And don't try to higher our stop loss or lower our stop loss if we follow the buy signal. Okay, if it's got higher than, yeah, price is in the higher position, I will wait for it to reverse. And if it's hit the stop loss, I have to accept it. Okay, my rule, do not enter any entries. Yeah, it's out range of my entry zone. I only calculate from the highest entry I gave on the signal. Yeah, so if I calculate from the price, yeah, from price zone out of my entries, even though it's got higher, it's got a better position, but it will be cheating. Yeah, it's cheating, you know. And if anyone can do it, you can enter to a higher position, better position besides my strategy. Yeah, that is good. That is a good one. Okay, but my rule, I only calculate from the highest position according to my entry I set up. Just want to know getting pips. If you set a sell signal at 50, 40, yeah, sell signal. Okay, 30 pips will be 50.37 because it decreased $3 from your entry. All right, $3 equal to 30 pips. Is it clear for you, my friend? Buy at 50.20. Oh yes, your 30 pips will be 50.23. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you so much, and sorry for the misunderstanding in the beginning. Yeah, It's easy. It's easy to calculate profit and loss by pips, right? I'm about to set up the buy signal at 33, but it was too fast. Yeah, 33 to 34. And because I'm using OBS to set up a live stream on YouTube, so it's good. It will have latency. So that's why I cannot set any real-time signal because you will miss. It just happened for a few seconds. And because of latency, you cannot enter to that trade, any real-time trade. Okay, so the best one is wait for this sell signal active. Okay, thank you, Jay Hey, for a good question you had. And feel free to give me many questions. Yeah, you are wondering. Because you will have no chance. I believe so. Because I believe, I'm confident that I am the most accurate. Yeah, how to say? Accurate? I just forget that attractive. Enthusiastic traders that can reply all your questions on my live stream. Hi Niyosha, welcome back to my live stream, my friend. And currently it's about to hit our entries. The current price is just for 40 pips, 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips away from our entry. Let's see that 20 minutes later. Yeah, in this 20 minutes, our signal will be active or not. Leverage to use 1-to-1, 1-to-3. You can use 1-to-1 to protect your capital because that's the only way you cannot borrow any money from your broker to overtrading. Yeah. Trade by your money only. Okay, 1-to-1 is okay. Indeed, you can practice with micro lot first, and to be honest, I'd like to advise you to trade and manage your capital disciplinedly and strictly for the days that the market move in high volatility like this time. We don't know when. We don't know that this crazy period will end. Okay, so the best thing we can do is follow strictly to risk management and control your capital. Only $3 you will have if you win. If you win for that signal, $3. All right, if you use the micro lot at 0.01, $3. It's small, right? But you use 0.1, multi 10 times to micro lot, you will receive $30 if you win for 30 pips. Okay, but you will lose the same level. Yeah, you will lose at the same level. You win. Leverage is just the percentage of money that broker allow you to borrow to trade. If your capital is around $1,000 and you use 1-to-100, you can open a trade multi 100 times compared with your real money. All right, but it will easy wash out your account if your signal fell. Okay, do you understand that mean? So choose 1-to-1 leverage is trading by your own money. You do not want to borrow money from broker. Yeah, I use the easiest way to explain this problem to you. All right, because I do not want anyone over trading, and you will have destroyed your total live trading account in a blink of an eye when you over trading and over leveraging. It's very dangerous to burn your account. When the market is bullish, which level we can see the market can reach, you can observe the bigger time frame, and mark two key support and resistance zone. And for the bullish, the first target, the target you will see is the previous peak. All right, the previous resistance zone. Oh, it touched to 40 and reverse. Oh. It was 10 pips left. Yeah, 10 pips away from my entry and down. Ooh. Oh my god, we just missed 100 pips. So 1 to 1, if 30 pips will be $3 using micro lot. Indeed. But if the signal fell, you only lost $3. Okay, for 30 pips. Close, because sometimes I will set the signal to have a tight stop loss about 30 pips minus 30 pips, and you only lost $3. All right, so high risk, high returns. You can remember for this sentence when you trade, and you decide to any trading volume is appropriate to your trading psychology and your real money. Our entry get hit? Really? I set as 41, and as I see on the trading view, it just get to 40.1. So if it hits your entry, you got 30 pips. And I wonder which trading volume you use to trade, my friend. Is it micro lot? Yeah, so because one more thing, if you trade with micro lot, you cannot take partials. Yeah, you cannot take partial because that is the smallest trading volume you can trade for one layer, for one entry. For one layer, it's more correct. Okay, so you can hold it to the bigger take profit because now the bearish momentum is very strong. Yeah, just practice because I guess that you are newbie, right? How long do you enter for this financial market, my friend? Because your name is very familiar to me and I remember that you usually watch my live stream. Okay, so this time I hope that you can have a better understanding how to calculate profit and loss, with the proper trading volume you are in. Okay, you close at 30 pips. Yeah, if next time you increase to 0.02, you can take partials as 0.01 first when you hit 30 pips profit, and you hold the rest. Yeah, you hold the rest 0.01 to the bigger take profit. All right, and if you trade in the beginning, you open the trade with a micro lot. You cannot take partials. And that time, you will lose the chance, to continue to have profit. All right. So there will be some exchange. Yeah, we need to accept. Some, I usually call it opportunity cost. Yeah, opportunity cost. We need to accept. But if you want to trade safely, get short profit, quick in, quick out, like a true scalper, you can close, have experience when, your first take profit was hit. But you can see, when you are hesitate, hesitating, closing any position, closing any signal that having profit. Another tips for you. All right, you can open 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, and wait for the opposite candle appear. All right, do you understand what I mean? If you're about to take the first 30 pips, but you really don't want, really don't want, you can open a 1 minute time frame and you see when is the bullish candle form on the chart. All right, that is when you close it without missing any chance to increase your profit when you trade. Okay, this is the tips. Yeah, this is the trading tips. How to get the bigger take profit. I haven't shared. Yeah, I haven't shared on my live stream before. This is my first time I told about this. Okay, so I hope that everyone can use it and yeah, it's work for your trading strategy. Oh, I be the shoemaker. Long time no see you, my friends. Since the day we had mini game together. Yeah, I remember you, my friend. So, did you set the pending order? Sell signal at 41 to 43. We're waiting for this signal active. Okay. Yeah, after a long time waiting, it hit to our first one at 41. Our first entry got active at 41. Come on, reverse quickly, dropping down quickly. 15 pips profit. Just got 15 pips profit. And now it's reverse. Okay, it's still time for you to enter this trade. Anyone in this signal? Yeah, it touched to the neckline. Yeah, the breakdown area. If you want to have a better entry, you should wait. Yeah, you should wait that it's the next entry is about 10 pips distance. The distance between each entry should be 10 pips. Okay, I guess that you're focusing to your trading platform right now. So it's kind of quiet. Okay, enter enough to our entry. Wow, bullish momentum was very strong. 44. And remember to set the stop loss at 47. Okay. Set the stop loss at 47. Now market is moving in high volatility, so it's very dangerous for us. Okay, it's getting higher. Come on, we need to reverse. In a few seconds later, let's see how the market is moving. Yeah, you can see the struggling between sellers and buyers at this area, 45. Yeah, it's still struggling. $55 once again. A few seconds later, let's see how it just candle look like. Yeah, still struggling. Yeah, both sides cannot decide which one they will follow. You can see the body of the one candle, 1 minute candle is very tiny. Oh dear, so now it's just hit the stop loss after got 30 pips and then reverse so quickly. All right, that is the not a lucky signal for all of us. Now the bullish momentum was very strong after reaching to our entry, right? It's got the bearish rejection a little bit, but it cannot hold. Indeed, yeah, it's got 20 pips and it's kind of small for us to take partials, yeah, to take profit, and it reversed too quickly. But on the first round, yeah, you got the loss, you got the profit already, right? So that's it trading. I advise you to use the proper trading volume you can accept for the loss. As traders, we should think about the loss first. All right, think about the loss first, loss limitation, and then think about how you can make money, how you can protect your money. So that's it. Trading is not a pink path everyone imagine for this every time, right? So pay attention to the reality and accept stop loss is a part of the game. Now you can see that it swept our stop loss and then reverse to our entry. Yeah, very annoyed, and it's happened always. All right. So that's it called liquidity trap or liquidity or stop loss hunting. Always happened. Okay, and stop loss is the shield to protect your capital and your profit. The only one way to help you make money from this market is join the VIP signal group or learning technical analysis by yourself and manage your capital seriously. All right, seriously. Okay, and if you join any signal, okay, if you join any VIP channel, you need to join enough signal, all right, to make sure your trading, to make sure your winning rate is protected. That is the only way when you join any VIP channel. No one can guarantee 100% winning rate. I'm for sure. Yeah, I can say that for sure. All right, and stop loss. Remember, it's our friends. It's the part of the game. It's not the enemy. It's just the alert to give us the alert about the market is challenging, and we need to stay awake, right? Stay awake and focus to every strategy we are in. All right, and it's time. I need to focus back on my VIP channel. And thank you so much, my friends, for today, for joining my live stream today. Even though that the signal, got profit so quickly and then reverse. All right, see you next time. We will revert to the market, and I promise next time we will have a better entry, better signal for all of you. Okay, thank you so much, and see you next time. Goodbye.